What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace and welcome to Hotel Landy, a Universal Partner Hotel. We are staying here for the next 2 nights to check out this really great resort. It's 1 year old on Universal Boulevard. It's right in between Universal Studios Florida, Islands of Adventure, and Epic Universe. It has shuttle buses to Disney and Universal. I'll tell you all about it in this video. So let's go, I'll give you a tour. First, you walk in and you see this adorable little Fiat at the entrance, Landy. And Landy, because it's short, like a little nickname for Orlando, Landy, Lando, get it? Haha. So they do have complimentary shuttle service to Universal and Disney. They do run 4 times a day, 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon. Upon check-in, they'll give you a QR code to scan and a promo code. It is complimentary, so don't forget to put in that promo code so it's free for hotel guests. You do have to schedule it ahead of time. The times are a bit limited, but you do get a free shuttle, so can't go wrong with that. And it goes to Disney parks and Universal. Welcome to Hotel Landy. You're gonna walk in here. I love how it has water. You can grab some nice lemon and orange water. Some towels for when you come in. Nice hospitality service here. Tribute Portfolio Hotel. Let's head inside. So right when you walk in, it has such a nice smell in here. So we checked in to the right here at the check-in desks. Super easy, convenient check-in process. The workers were so incredibly nice. And you walk straight ahead, there is a lobby bar, and the lobby area is really nice too. I love the seating, I love the colors. This hotel is inspired by kinetic motion, so there's a lot of different patterns going on. You know, the energy of Orlando is here in this resort, and you can tell with all the different colors and the patterns and the designs. It's a really, really cool space. So there's lots of seating in the lobby, and they do even have outlets in the couches, which is really cool. You can tell it's been updated recently. This hotel actually reopened in March of 2024, as it was a different hotel previously, and now it is Hotel Landy. I love this space too, really cool. They have 2 huge TVs by the lobby bar. And over to the right, we're gonna walk right down this way and we're gonna hit Orly's Market, where they serve Starbucks. But check out this menu. They have so many great options. So what you do is you check out this board, you order, and then they will give you a number, and you'll go and you'll sit in one of these tables over here, and they'll bring out your breakfast to you. They also have quick to-go bites as well, Starbucks drinks, which is great. But look at all these great options. They have overnight oats, they have fruit, they have snack boxes. I love the drinks. They have Celsius, they have watermelon Celsius, and they have Poppy. Like, they listen to me and they know. They have some alcoholic drinks over here, like high noon, seltzers, wine, beer. So here are some muffins and croissants because it's breakfast time. Over here we have some cake pops. Some quicker bites, which all look delicious too. Cherry Danish. You have fruit, you have snacks, coffee, and then you have a little market over here if you want to buy anything. You can do that here. They have the mugs for sale here, which are $12, little games. And over here they have a candy bar. If you want to get some candy, it's $1.75 per ounce. So Hotel Landy is a big business center too. They do have a lot of business rooms, so you might be here for a conference and this is where you will be. They do have a ballroom called the Krystal Ballroom, which I personally love, but I do think they should change to spell it as Krystal. Restrooms over here, and this is the Krystal Ballroom, and this is the Krystal Ballroom right here. And you can get outside this way too, but we're going to check out the rest of the main floor here before we go outside. Okay, so we're back in the main lobby area. As you can see on this side, they have a concierge because this is a Universal Partner Hotel, and they have a big Universal sign, so you can get Universal Park tickets here. This is where you will go, and they will help you with the Universal Shuttle, which is great. I'll tell you a bit more about that in a little bit. So let's head this way first. There's 2 sets of elevators that go up to the rooms. There's one right here. And then I personally like these better because they give a really cool view. But before we go upstairs, I do want to show you the resort shop. They have a bunch of really cool things in here. They have candy, ice cream. They even have souvenirs. They have a big Harry Potter Lego on display. You can get your park merchandise. You can get all your gear for the parks in here. And they do have a bunch of drinks in this area as well, and some more snacks. So you have everything you need right here. And then outside, you have the kinetic game room. This is a 24/7 game room, which is really cool. And I overheard someone saying that the owner of this hotel also owns Chuck E. Cheese. So that's why the game room is such a big deal and open 24/7. It's a really nice game room too. They have a bunch of these games. Oh, Luigi's Mansion Arcade, that's so fun for Epic Universe. They have pinball, foosball, shuffleboard, and you can purchase your game cards right here. 24/7 game room, who doesn't love that? And a nice place to sit. So this part is really cool. They have this, ready, look up, ready, the grand reveal. Bum, 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 bum. I actually shut my camera off looking up so high, but look at that. And it has a really cool skylight. So this is where all the rooms are. Well, some of the rooms are in this whole balcony looking area. And then down here at the end, at the bottom of it, you have like this cool book lobby area. If you want to just like hang out, read a book, get together with your family that's staying here, you can do that right down here. They have a bunch of chairs. So it's really cool. And then here are the really cool elevators. Check those out. I like these elevators the best. They could take you up to your room. All right, let's head up to the room and then I will show you the outdoor area. There's more restrooms right here too. Going up. I love this. We're staying on the 11th floor. So let's head to our rooms. They have ice and a water bottle fill station, which I love, and another set of elevators. These were the ones we saw from the lobby. Let's head downstairs and check out the pool area. Okay, here we go, past the game room and headed outside. So right out here, we have Lawn Landy, and this is a really cool spot. Look at this, you can chill outside. They have fire pits. They have lawn games like ping pong, cornhole. They even have bocce, real Italians know. They have Liquid Sunshine, which is a pool bar. It's not open currently, but here is the pool area. Here's the pool, and it has a little hot tub. It's super nice. Look at this. Very relaxing, chill environment, and they have water so you to stay hydrated. Real Italians know bocce is the best. Okay, I really love this outdoor space. So fun, lots of room to hang out and just relax and enjoy. And the pool is really so pretty too. I love it. So they do have restrooms by the pool here too, right over here. And right next to the pool is the fitness center. Oh wow, it's really nice in here. They have free weights benches, nice treadmills, stair stepper, elliptical, weights over here, some water bottles you can grab, towels. This is great. TV, a scale. Welcome to our room at Hotel Landy. I'll give you a tour. Right when we walk in, we have a great Keurig, if you know, you know, coffee maker. I absolutely love these mugs. How adorable are these? Hotel Landy. And you get some K-cups, sugar, and a mini fridge. Right behind me is the bathroom. Door right here leads into the toilet, as well as some extra towels down here, a hair dryer, which is great, and some extra toilet paper. Here's the sink. We have one sink in this room, and we have hand wash and body lotion. I love the motion calm. It really connects to the kinetic theming, and even the pictures around here are very like kinetic. So the theming is really cute. And it has a nice mirror as well. There are 3 outlets on the wall over here. And then turning around behind me, we do have a nice shower and a bathtub combo. You can see right here. And on the back wall, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Once again, Hotel Landy, energy, flow, relax. Then walking into our room, we have a 2-bedroom room, standard room here. I love this mirror. Once again, the really kinetic energy theming, full body mirror for all your fit check needs. And then moving in, look how nice this is. I'm really blown away by the high quality. It feels so new in here. You have a little bench. You can put your shoes down there. 2 drawers here. You open them up. You got some room if you want to take your clothes out. You can do that. Here they have water bottles. You can bring these home if you want. They will charge you $12 to your room, but how cute are they? And since this is a Marriott Bonvoy hotel, you do get 2 little water bottles, compliments of Marriott Bonvoy, an ice bucket. Then moving over here, of course, we have the TV, but moving over here, we do have a nice updated outlet right here, 3 plugs, USB-C and a USB. Here's our room key, by the way, love it. And just a little desk space. Oh, this is a remote I have at home, actually. Some information about the hotel tribute portfolio. This is what this hotel is, so it shows you all the other hotels around the world that are tribute portfolios, which is pretty cool. If you want to see the dine and drink menus, you scan that QR code right here. I love how the phone is like so sleek, nothing crazy, because you know, like who really uses a phone in the rooms. This nice little lamp, once again, love it. It has an ottoman and a chair here, and of course a garbage can. And here is the closet. You have an ironing board, as well as a safe, an iron, and some hangers. Then turning around, we do have these nice beds. They look nice and clean. Haven't stayed in them yet, but I'll let you know how they are. I love the backboard. Look how sleek this looks. And then moving on over here, in the nightstand, we have some USB-C, USB, and 2 outlets, which is really great. I love like how cute these clocks are and like retro themed. And here we have a Bible and the Book of Mormon. Some more night lights. Here is the other bed, as well as a lamp on this side, a chair, and 2 outlets. So this is a really large room. But wait, I have to show you the best part. So we have a pool view room, and not only of the pool, but hello, there's Universal Orlando. We have a prime view of Universal. I can perfectly see Hulk, Velocicoaster, Rip Ride Rocket, Dr. Dooms, and Volcano Bay. The most amazing view of Universal Orlando Resort. And of course, down below is the pool and the lawn Landy, where you can play some nice lawn games. We just freshened up, and now we're gonna head down to Emile's for dinner. I'm so excited and I'm hungry. Let's eat. Okay, I really like the setup of this restaurant. It's kind of like in the lobby, but they have really cool chairs and they're super comfortable. Here's a menu. They have a bunch of starters, mains, desserts, as well as drinks. The service is really great. They brought over Voss water. I feel like I'm in the Grown Ups movie. So we just put in our order. We got an appetizer, 2 entrees. They do have a bar, so they have a bunch of cocktail options, as well as beer, wine. Okay, here's the fig and burrata. I have to say, this actually looks delicious. I love the presentation, looks super nice, and I'm excited to eat this. All right, we got a lot going on here. We got some prosciutto, we got the burrata, of course. We have like these like loaves of bread. Okay, so the fig is on the bottom of the burrata here. Yum, super fresh and delicious. Okay, I feel like Joey Palace. I made a little sandwich. This is definitely the best way to eat it. Burrata, prosciutto, fig, and this bread is so good. For Florida bread, fire. It actually kind of tastes like Texas toast. Very, very good. Good choice by me for the appetizer. Would highly recommend getting this. Okay, so we just got our food. My dad got the roasted chicken, fingerling potatoes, sauteed greens, and chicken. It was $28. And then I got the steak frites Looks delicious, and those French fries look amazing. That burrata was so good. I'm excited to try this. Let's eat. My dad was like, oh, you have these plates. He must watch Tea with KP. Yeah, I do love the plates though. I'm so excited. His chicken looks great. Mine looks great. Let's eat. Steak frites are really good. It's cooked well. I got it cooked medium. The sauce on it isn't like too strong or overpowering. Really delicious. The chicken is good too, right?
Excellent.
Excellent. We got an excellent from Krystal Palace. Let's try the most important part, the French fries. Oh, these are good fries. These are good fries. Wow, salty but not too salty. Nicely cooked potato. Okay, I have to say, I'm like truly blown away by this meal. This is like one of the better dinners that I've had around Universal Orlando. Truly delicious. Good morning from Hotel Landy. This morning, before we head to Epic Universe, we are having breakfast. So we just ordered up at Orly's Market. They gave us a number. Just sat at our table. We're actually sitting the same spot we sat in last night for dinner. It's the same place. Got a fruit cup, a croissant, and then I got the All-American breakfast that will be delivered to our table. Here's my All-American breakfast from Hotel Landy. It was $20. I got scrambled eggs, so you can get a choice eggs any way you want. Sausage or bacon. I got bacon, and those potatoes look great, and it comes with some toast, butter, jelly. Looks delicious, and the croissant was great too. Amazing. These are amazing too. Love these. Eggs, very good. Potatoes. Yeah. Krystal Palace approved. Salad breakfast. We are currently at Helios, and we can actually see Hotel Landy from here. That's how close Hotel Landy is to Epic Universe. Overall, I would highly recommend Hotel Landy. It's one of the closest Marriott Bonvoy hotels to Universal Orlando. The location is amazing, and it's so close to all the Orlando fun, and we had such a great stay. Thank you so much to Hotel Landy for hosting me. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Krystal Palace for more fun. See you in the next one. Peace.